Okay, I'm taking a picture of you. Oh, look at you showing off that you can go down there in that water like that. Huh? Okay. Yes, just taking a stroll in the park today, watching the ducks as they play. Ah, the wind. There's a family coming here. And Oshun is still showing up. I made an offering to Oshun some years ago, and then after my offering, I had everything yellow on my altar. After the 7 days of my offering to Oshun, I came to this park and I threw the flowers over there. Over there, where's all that yellow there? I threw the flowers there like maybe 6 years ago, and from that day, that area always stay with yellow pebbles on the water. Before that, there was no yellow pebbles. But after I gave my offering back to Oshun, the water goddess, the water deity, that section right there always have yellow pebbles coming up on the water ever since that. So Oshun is still showing up for me. I am grateful and thankful, Oshun. Ah, I'm grateful and thankful for everything, for the help you gave me when I needed it at the time. Thank you. I'm still giving thanks to you because he's still showing up for me. Yes. Share. Share. And my duck friends are coming out the water. That's a big one right there. That's probably the male. And these are the, no, that's the females. I think are the white ones. And then these are the children or males. These here are just having some fun in the water. It's a nice summer day today. It's not too hot. No humidity. It's just right to take a stroll to the park and relax the mind. And in tune with nature and connect with nature. Because we learn a lot from nature. And we are nature. When we die, when I die, I'm going back to nature. So it's good to spend time in nature because this is where I'll be going back to nature. After my time on this earth, I'll be going right back to nature. So we have to take care of nature, keep the earth clean, keep the waters clean, pure. We even have some turtles here. They're not showing up much. What am I seeing? I'm seeing the sky. The turtles. Where are the turtles? No, where are the turtles? There's one right here. Some people feeding the ducks. I don't know if you're allowed to feed them, but no, everyone is, all of them, they're all coming now. You see, once you start feed one, everybody's coming out.